In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix new Outlook app not opening on Windows 11. We'll move from the fastest checks to the more thorough fixes, and I'll explain why each one helps so you can get back into your inbox with confidence. Start with a clean restart. Save your work, close all open apps, restart Windows 11, and then try launching Outlook again. A reboot clears stuck background processes and refreshes services the app relies on. If Outlook still won't open, use the built-in repair tool. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Outlook, choose Advanced Options, and select Repair. Let Windows complete the process, then try opening Outlook. Repair targets corrupted app files without touching your data. If Repair doesn't do the trick, reset the app from the same Advanced Options page by choosing Reset. This clears cached data and settings that may be blocking startup. Keep in mind, you may need to sign in again after the reset. Next, make sure Windows itself is up to date. Open Settings, head to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install anything available, and restart. Compatibility fixes in newer builds often resolve app launch issues. Update Outlook if you installed it from the Microsoft Store. Open the store, go to Library, click Get Updates, and apply the Outlook update. If the store is acting up, clear its cache. Press Windows plus R, type wsreset.exe, press Enter, wait for the store to reopen, and restart your PC. If you suspect the installation is damaged, reinstall the new Outlook app. Uninstall Outlook, restart your computer to fully release files, then download and install the latest version from Microsoft. This replaces any broken components with a clean copy. Because the new Outlook relies heavily on Cloud Sync, verify your connection. Try the Outlook web version in your browser. If that's slow or fails, check your internet, temporarily disable any VPN, and restart your router before testing the app again. If your Microsoft account is the culprit, re-add it at the system level. Go to Settings, Accounts, then Email and Accounts, remove the problematic account, restart the PC, and add it back. Run the Windows Troubleshooter for apps by going to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and running Windows Store apps. It can automatically detect and fix permission or service issues. Briefly disable third-party antivirus features like web protection, firewall, or email shields. Test Outlook, and then turn protection back on immediately. Finally, check Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESCA. If Outlook is listed, end the task and reopen the app.